Hello, friends. Welcome back to the craft room. Well, at least this half of it. I am really glad that you're here. There are some things happening on that side of the room that I'm not quite ready to show you, but you will see it on Tuesday. So hold your breath for that. Till then, hold your breath till Tuesday. I'm just teasing. Don't do that. I do not recommend that. So you're just going to see my hordes over here today, but Tuesday will be exciting. We are going to talk about Pineberry today. There have been a lot of questions, and there's actually been some changes in our pre-order dates for the better. So hopefully I can answer as many questions here and give you the updates and make sense. I am so organized. I wrote down all my notes on the back of this used envelope from the Idaho State Tax Commission. So you know that this is a legit list. Okay, let's start off with pre-order dates because I think that's the most important to kind of get out there right now. So originally the last day to sign up or to pre-order your fabric was today. I am ahead of schedule. I don't know what stars have aligned that I'm ahead of schedule, but I am, and it's very exciting. If you have placed an order with me, I am working on your kits this weekend to get them shipped out by Monday. That makes us 2 weeks ahead. What? So there's only one bolt of fabric that I'm waiting for. It is on back order right now, but it was actually just an extra bolt. So I have everything that we could use for quite a few kits in the shop literally right now. So we are going to bump the pre-order date for fabric until August 1st. So that gives you a whole 2 other weeks to order a fabric kit if you are interested. I also know that July is a really hard month. I mean, we're like in the thick of summer. Like my brain is mashed potatoes at this point. So that's another reason why it's a miracle that we're ahead of schedule. But I mean, just July is crazy. Lots of travel, lots of things to do, all of it. And I totally understand. So if you are wanting to get in on this class, you still have until August 1st. Okay, that is more than enough time for me to assemble more kits and get them to you before our class on the 16th. And again, we have 2 colorways. You can have the pink berries with the greens, or you can have the red berry with the navy. So 2 options. And now we're going to go to like frequently asked questions so that hopefully I can get all of it done here. This is an online workshop. I'm just going to send you a Zoom link. That's how this is going to run. So you don't have to be anywhere. You don't have to haul anything. Just show up in whatever craft space that you're at and work with us online. Second, the fabric is not mandatory. You do not have to buy a kit from me to participate in this workshop, okay? And it is not hurting my feelings if you don't buy a kit. I still love you just the same, whether or not you buy from my fabric cords, okay? So if you just want to come and bring your own fabric, do it. There is no shame in that. Honestly, I'm really impressed with you that you're going to use your own fabric because I cannot stop hoarding the fabric. I want to be like you when I grow up. Okay, and along the lines of the fabric, if you already have the Pineberry pattern, this has been a big one. If you already have this pattern, I'm not going to charge you for it. That's just silly. So if you already have the pattern, I am going to make a new listing today in the shop that is just class admission, which is pretty much just the deduction of the pattern from the total price. And that will not charge you shipping because obviously if we're not sending you anything, that's silly to charge you shipping. It'll just be like a digital purchase letting me know that you are going to join the class. Does that make sense? So I thought at first, you know, just pay for the class and I'll refund you the $12, but there's still the issue of the shipping, right? That doesn't make sense. So if you go to the website today, you will see 3 Pineberry listings. The first one will be just for workshop admission. No pattern, no fabric, just paying for the Zoom link. The second listing will be for the class and the pattern, which will then charge you shipping because I have to get you that pattern. And then the third link is for the fabric kits that will get you class link, the pattern, and a fabric kit. And it will give you an option on which color that you would like. Hopefully that like streamlines everything and it's not so confusing, but I also think having 3 listings for pretty much the same thing is confusing. So we'll see how this goes. Trial and error is my best teacher. I am learning that I do best when I'm like, oops, sorry friends. So there's that. We'll figure it out, but hopefully that is helpful for those that still want to participate but already have their own pattern. Okay. This is going to be recorded. So our Fly the Flag workshop was recorded and it is on YouTube as a private video, and the same thing will happen for Pineberry. So if you are not able to attend live, you can still participate in just in a different way, but you can still watch and participate with that sew along later when I get that video up. Prizes. I like to do prizes throughout the workshop. I just think it keeps it interesting, and I thought it was kind of a fun like little break. So even if you do not attend live, you are still eligible for prizes. I pretty much just put everyone's name in a bucket and draw a name. So if you have paid for whatever, whether that's just the link, the pattern, the fabric, whatever, you are entered into a drawing that I do pretty much every 45 minutes of this class. So the time frame that we're looking at this for this class is at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. We will start and we'll work for an hour and a half. Then we will take a 30-minute break, and then we'll come back for another hour and a half. That's kind of what I've scheduled. If we need less, fine. If we need more, fine. And this really kind of runs like an open house type thing. So come when you can, leave if you have to, come back, you know, that kind of thing. There's really no pressure if that's just not realistic for that day for you, okay? I really don't want this to be stressful for anyone. This should just be fun and just being able to sew with each other. So no pressure, don't overthink this. It's all good. I should have done like subcategories to my bullet notes. We are offering a special prize if you invite a friend and they sign up for Pineberry in any capacity. Now that we have so many dang options, if you invite a friend and they sign up, then you are going to be entered into your own drawing for a free yard of fabric. So I upped the ante this workshop. I think word of mouth is the best advertisement. I can sit here and talk to you all day, but if someone likes the workshop or likes me enough to say, hey, I think you'll like this workshop, that is, first of all, the greatest compliment, and thank you. And secondly, people are more likely to participate if they have a recommendation from someone that they trust or love. You know what I mean? So there will be prizes if you invite a friend and they end up signing up. So just shoot me an email of the name if you do, so that I can give you credit for all of your hard work. And if you invite 2 friends, then you get 2 entries. If you invite 10 friends, first of all, I'm really jealous that you have 10 friends, but you would get 10 entries. So just keep me posted on how that goes for you guys so that we can give you credit where credit is due. I do think that's it. Let me just double check on my high class note system here. So we've moved the dates for pre-order. Everything is open for pre-order until August 1st. Class, fabric, admission, all the things. This is an online workshop, so it means you can work from anywhere you want. Fabric is not mandatory, but it is cute. So I'm just gonna slide that in there real fast. This is re-recorded that you will be able to go back and watch whenever you need to. Even if that means not being able to make it live, it will be available. If you already have the pattern, there is the listing that is just admission to the class. If you already have the pattern and you want the fabric, continue checking out that way, and I will refund you the $12 for the pattern if you do get a kit. Okay? Because on that one, we do need shipping. I really don't want this to be confusing. I'm just trying to be helpful. Okay. But I hope this was helpful. I hope this covered all of the questions. If you have more questions, please feel free to keep asking. This is in no way, shape, or form saying, don't ask me any more questions. Keep asking. We have until the 1st, and then we really hit that crunch time, and we get to start prepping for our class, which is so exciting. I am really looking forward to building up this little sewing community. It has been so good for me to have others to sew with that are like-minded and don't think I'm totally weird. You guys are awesome, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Let me know if there are any other confusing things, and we will see you on Tuesday with the other half of the craft room, which is super cute. I'm so excited to show you. Okay, we'll see you then. Okay, goodbye.